There are two ways of meeting difficulties. You alter the difficulties or you alter yourself to meet them. The best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer somebody else up. Sometimes you have to distance yourself from people. If they care, they will notice. If they don't, you will know where you stand. Focus on making yourself better, not on thinking that you are better. No amount of money will make you happy if you are not happy with yourself. When you bring out the best in yourself, you bring out the best in others. Let go of ones who bring you down and surround yourself with those who bring out the best in you. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself in any direction you choose. Don't ask why someone keeps hurting you, ask yourself why you are allowing them. What others think about you is not important, what you think about yourself means everything. Don't lose yourself in attempt to hold on to someone who does not care about losing you. To be a champ, you have to believe in yourself when nobody else will. As long as you remain unknown to yourself, your presence will be unknown to the world. Coins make sound when dropped, but paper won't. When your value increases, keep yourself silent and be humble. Don't wait for the right person to come into your life. Make yourself the right person to walk into someone else's life. Until you can be true to yourself, you cannot be true to anyone else. Associate yourself with people of good quality, otherwise it is better to be alone than a bad company. Never put yourself down, cause there are enough people in the world that will do it for you. Be a witness, not a judge. Focus on yourself, not on others. Listen to your heart, not to the crowd. Put your trust in God and don't depend on anyone. Believe in God and believe in yourself, then the sky is your limit. Don't let yourself be controlled by these three things: your past, people, and money.